malo o se tala fa solo pito tula imaya tato muaia mafasa
Sengi le vave awele malama lama le tala lele mo oe le tala lele mo au o Miriam Maria le makatara le tala lele mo oe le tala lele mo au na fata wina mea manongi e asia e tunga mau le tala lele mo oe le tala lele mo au wai no le tu ngama wa manoa wale oia i toe o iena la e ya wale
o makirita o te whiawhia e kuka ma ai le kolai mau kengi. O loingo o loto o te whiawhia e ai ko whai.
O loingo o amasua o te whiawhia e pese. O nei, o le aso muli o le vai aso e whaatawa i nai le ngangana Samoa.
Today is the last day of Samoan Language Week. O le amataina le tatou polkalame i se tatalo. Tonu mea ia e manatua o le mea mua mo I inimata, close your eyes.
Lona lua, I follow wow, bow your head.
Ma le mea muli pe I lima, fold your arms, tatou tatalo. Whawhetai Yesu, mo lene yaso, whaatasi mai, Amen. Right, now we're going to do our sing-along. Sing along with us with the song that we did last year at our Samoan Day. Tato pe pese whaatasi. Alu iai, pese mai.
Malo lava tamaiti mo le tātou pesele nei tai au.
Wasn't it cool seeing yourself on the screen?
Ia, o le a tātou auina. I whai tau mai le tasi se iau ili se fulu.
We're now going to teach you how to count from 1 to 10 in Samoan.
Check it out.
Tasi, lua, tala, wa, shaboom, shaboom, shalalalalalalalala, shaboom, shaboom, shalalalalalalalala, shaboom, shaboom, shalalalalalalalala. Tasi, lua, tala, wa, tasi, 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 tato, pati, pati, lua, 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 fasa, olo, patua, tolu, 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 tato, fanolo, wa, fa, 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 nai, iluma, lima, 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 fiase, fasi, ono, 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 tato, oso, oso, fitu, 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 fongilo, iso, alu, 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 tete, elo, famanu, iva, 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 tofo, ilo, aiva, tefulu, sefulu, omoeta, amuno. Shaboom, shaboom, shalalalalalalalala, shaboom, shaboom, shalalalalalalalala, shaboom, shaboom, shalalalalalalalala. Tasi, lua, tala, wa, tasi, 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 tato, pati, pati, lua, 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 fasa, olo, patua, tolu, 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 tato, fanolo, wa, fa, 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 nai, iluma, lima, 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 fiase, fasi, ono, 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 tato, oso, oso, fitu, 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 fongilo, iso, alu, 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 tete, elo, famanu, iva, 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 tofo, ilo, aiva, tefulu, sefulu, omoeta, amuno. Malo lava tamaiti mo le tātou pese. Tātou toi whai tau whaatasi mai le tasi. Ia, tasi, lua, tolu, wha, lima, ono, fitu, valu, iwa, sepulu. Malo lava tamaiti, well done. And that was counting from 1 to 10 in Samoan. Now, I'm going to ask you a few questions. Ole a whai atu ni whisiri. Ini upu e mana o mia ona whaonga I aso taitasi. I'm going to ask you some questions about respectful words that you should use in your home every day. Here we go. Whisiri mua mua. Ole a le upu e whai, pe a e mana o I se mea. What is the word you say in Samoan when you want something? Ole wha mole mole. Whai whaatasi, wha mole mole. Whesiri lona lua. Ole a le upu e whai, pe a watu e seisi se mea ia te oi. What is the word you say in Samoan when someone gives you something or does something for you? Ole wha whetai. Whai whaatasi, wha whetai. Ma le whesiri muli muli, o le a le upu e whai, pe a e ui, pe savali, I luma, po au tafo ni tangata. What is the word you say in Samoan when you walk past or in front of people? Ole tulo. Whai whaatasi, tulo. And make sure you bend your back nice and low. Ma lo lava tamaiti.
Mana tua tatou upuna tamaiti o le wha mole mole, wha petai, ma le tulo. Tulo.
We are now going to play a game of charades.
O le a le tatou tālonga o le tau atu tau mai.
This is how it works. We're going to act something out and you have 30 seconds to guess what it is.
Let's
Nene Tao. Well done kids for our activity this morning. Now we're going to have a look back at some of our videos from our past Samoa days, featuring you, our GIN kids. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Talofa Samoa, o moe mai Samoa, fifia o karo Samoa ma ai Samoa. Pele ulpua, ulfe, makalo. So ne, malakwa, manotua no fa Samoa. Amen.
And I really touch the worship team. And I really touch the worship team.
Thank you for tuning into our Samoa Day special. We hope you enjoyed the program.
And that you have learned something.
Fa'amanuia le atua, manuia le vaiaso.
So far, soifua.
Whapetai Yesu, mo lene yaso, whaatasi mai. My mind just goes blank after that.
It's so hard for the kids.
You look like a boss.
Not too up there.
No, it's because they can't see my.
Now what do you
Lama like actually lama like.
Ole tatou la unga mole nei aso, e mama mai le tusi, a whaamasino, whai upu, e lua se fulu, male sfutasi. Ole tala ia ata maiwa.
Ole le kusi. Kumai pamasino tala ya asa mama Eva. Lotso!
Well done, kids, for your activity. Go again, I got distracted. Sorry. We have looked very hard for these videos. Thank you for tuning into our Samoans. So our Samoans